We're going to switch gears a little and go back to the environment, because we skipped a question in case we ran out of time, and now we have time, so we're going to go back to it. Evidence shows that things like green spaces can improve air quality and decrease temperature in neighborhoods. It can increase physical activity and the related health benefits. It can improve mental health, social cohesion, public safety. They can mitigate climate change by eliminating and storing greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and removing air pollutants, obviously in large quantities. But the disparity in abundance and locations of such spaces fits clearly into economic and racial lines. Evidence seems to suggest the benefits of shifting resources from jails to enhancing such green spaces. How can the Office of the DA be used to promote these changes? Is the allocation of resources to green spaces directly within the authority of the DA? And if not, how can you advocate for that from that office?
The District Attorney's Office can provide leadership in many other parts of our community life that are beyond the criminal justice system. Certainly, as we're talking about decarceration, we have to push to ensure that the resources that are being saved by not continuing to incarcerate people at the same rate, we're moving into other areas of the community, whether it's mental health services, substance abuse, the creation of open space, the increase in the social sustainability of a community, which includes creating open spaces. But just as importantly, as a district attorney, you have a role that is a role modeling role that you can work with others to make sure that we push for creating more sustainable communities, because a sustainable community is a safer community. And one of the things that create a sustainable community is open spaces, and open spaces that are available to everyone. We know that the more that we can get people into public spaces, sharing space with others, it actually creates not only a safer community, but it creates a healthier community as we all engage in activities that are away from the TVs, away from our computers, and are socializing with one another. The district attorney can play a role in this area by encouraging that all the other partners in the governmental system come together to bring funding and resources to these areas that go actually towards creating safer, long-term solutions to community safety that do not require the criminal justice system intervention.